Okay, next exercise you're going to see is going to be the stability ball hamstring curl. Okay, unfortunately with this exercise you do need the stability ball to do the hamstring curl. Okay, just purely because of the movement. So if you haven't got a stability ball, you need to grab one. Okay, get an anti-burst stability ball, nice and strong. You get what you pay for all these things. Okay, so the hamstring curl, working the muscles of the upper leg on the back. Okay, lying on your back, like so. The further you have the ball away from you, the harder this exercise is going to be. Okay, because the longer your lever is. Palms down to give you support at a 45-degree angle. You're going to lift your hips up, push your hips as far away from the floor as you can, so the legs are straight. That's your start position. From there, you're going to pull the ball towards you, okay, and then push it away. Pull the ball towards you, push it away. Keeping the hips up all the time, push the ball away. When you finish, just slowly lower the hips down. If you want to make it a bit easier, just bring the ball a little bit closer to you, shorten the lever, yeah, pull the ball in. You still get a really good workout, okay, you're just not going to use it as a fuller range. Okay, if you've got weaker hamstrings, that's definitely an option for you. So that's the stability ball hamstring curl.